Welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon with me, Ruchi Bhatia, and my colleague Cheryl D'Souza. Let's talk about the other listing today, and that is Exxaro Tiles. The stock is listed at a 5% premium to issue price. Let's talk to the management, Mukesh Kumar Patel, the CMD of Exxaro Tiles, and Himanshu Shah, the CFO of the company, joining in. Gentlemen, appreciate you taking your time out and speaking with us today at ET Now, and congratulations on that stock market debut. Mukesh, let me first begin by asking you, what are the key value propositions of Exxaro Tiles, the product and of course the IPO, and what are the plans for the company going forward?
जो एक्सपेंशन प्लान है जो कंपनी का, वो इंटरनल एक्रूवल से होने वाला है, और जो सेगमेंट हम ऐड करने वाले हैं जो कि वो वॉल टाइल्स है, आउटडोर टाइल्स है, पार्किंग टाइल्स है, स्लैब है, सो वो हम फेस टू फेस वो हम ऐड करने वाले हैं.
Good afternoon, Mr. Patel and Shah. This is Cheryl also joining in the conversation. Let's talk about your company. It has grown over the last few years while maintaining high EBITDA margin levels also. But how sustainable are these margin levels going forward?
Yeah, definitely. As you can see, we are consistent in delivering this EBITDA margin since last 4 to 5 years. And why it is so? Because we are more strong in this own manufacturing our model. So we basically have adopted our 2 manufacturing plants, and outsource model is very much less at the initial stage. At the same time, in the markets, in the domestic market as well, we have 80 to 85% is the retail market. And that is our biggest strength, and product quality also. These all 3 factors have built up our EBITDA margin in the past years also. And in future also, by going this strategy also in the future growth, we will almost maintain this sustainable level of the EBITDA margins. Say product quality will be very good in the new products that we will add in wall tiles and outdoor tiles in the new capex plans in the next financial year. And our retail market will be almost 80 to 85% that we will retain. So as far as margin is concerned in the domestic market, we are not compromising, and our brand has a very sustainable value. So we are confident that we will deliver this sustainable margin in EBITDA margin.
और उसमें जो अपना एक्सारो के पास जो यूनिट 1 है, जो पादरा के पास यूनिट जो चल रहा है, वो एक्सारो के पास ओएनजीसी का जो गैस है वो 1/4 प्राइस पे आज के रेट में वो गैस मिल रहा है. तो वो एक हमारा एक प्लस पॉइंट है, यूएसपी है. दूसरा, एक्सारो एक इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल के साथ काम कर रहा है कि ग्लेज भी खुद बनाता है. एक्सारो के पास आज के डेट में 2000 प्लस टच पॉइंट है ऑल ओवर इंडिया में, 13 प्लस कंट्री में एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है. सो बेसिकली हमारा जो मॉडल है वो रिटेल पे फोकस ज्यादा है. तो उस हिसाब से इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल के हिसाब से अपना प्रॉफिट मार्जिन आगे भी यही सस्टेनेबल रहेंगे, और वो रहने के लिए हमारा पूरा प्रयास रहेगा.
But Himanshu, let me then ask you on the fuel prices. Fuel costs is one of the major costs in terms of production of tiles, given the fact that globally we are seeing fuel prices inching upwards. Could that be a cause of concern going forward?
See, as you can see that now India is competing in the world level, and we are just now near to very much in comparison with the China. So as far as quality and pricing is concerned, India is now very much growing in terms of the pricing and quality also. So looking to the pricing factors and the competitions, so India can definitely, Morbi is a cluster, as you know, and we will deliver a very good pricing in terms of all the products in the ceramic industry, in the domestic as well as export market. And that's why, as you can see, after this lockdown, in particular in COVID situations, more and more countries, particularly in Western countries and USA, are now targeting to India, and India is the second largest in terms of the exporting of our ceramic products to the world level. So this will be the scenario in the coming year also in futures.
All right, Mr. Patel and Shah, we leave it at there. Thank you for joining us on the show, talking about your company and the way forward for Exxaro Tiles. That was Mr. Mukesh Kumar Patel, who is the CMD of Exxaro Tiles, and Mr. Himanshu Shah, who is the CFO of Exxaro Tiles.